Heavy air is pressing down. Gut is twisting, no clear sound. Shadows lengthen though it's bright. Something's coming in the night. Chest feels tight, a quiet thread. Every second filled with dread. Nothing visible yet it's near. Impending weight I cannot clear. Something's wrong, I feel it deep. Doodles crawling while I sleep. Low pulse beating in my veins. Dread remains and never wanes. Anticipation, cold and slow. Tension builds but doesn't show. Something's wrong, it's closing in. No release, no end, no will. Whispers hint that come and fall. Silence screams behind the wall. Every breath takes metallic fear. That is waiting, drawing near. No event, no breaking stone. Just this feeling, cold and warm. Dissonance inside.